Do you feel nervous when to introduce yourself at work? Do you worry about the phrase, "My English is not good enough"? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple phrases you can use in your self-professional introduction. After this lesson, you will be able to introduce yourself with more confidence. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back. My name is Tami. I'm your business English teacher today. And I'm also learning English, so I understand all your problems. Let's start learning together. In this video, you will learn 5 simple phrases you can use to introduce yourself in professional way at work. You can use them in meetings, on your first day at job, or when you meet new clients or new colleagues. Let's start with phrase number 1. Phrase number 1, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Again, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. This means you are happy to meet someone for the first time, and it shows that you are polite and friendly. For example, "Hi Anna, nice to meet you." Nice to meet you. You can use this at the beginning or at the end of the first conversation. For example, you can use this in job interviews, first meetings, or when you meet new coworker. Now it's your turn to try. Say, "Hi, say your name. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you." Please pause the video and repeat your sentence 3 times. Great, let's go to phrase number 2. Let's introduce myself. Repeat after me. Let's introduce myself. Again, let's introduce myself. Let's introduce myself. This is a polite way to start talking about who you are. It shows that you are going to give some information about yourself. For example, let's introduce myself. My name is David and I'm your new software manager. I joined the company last month. Use this at the start of your self-introduction. You can use it in meetings, in presentation, or when you speak to a new group, right? Now it's your turn to try. Say, "Let's introduce myself. My name is..." Say your name. "Let's introduce myself. My name is..." Say your name. Pause the video and repeat your sentence 3 times. Well done. Well done. Now we add your job. Let's go to the phrase number 3. Phrase number 3, I work as a... Put your job title. At a company, put your company name. Repeat after me. I work as a... Put your job title. At... Put your company name. Again, I work as a... Your job title. At... Put your company name. You use this to say your job and the company where you work. You replace job name with your job title and company with your company name. For example, I work as software engineer at Tech Vision. Software engineer is my job title and Tech Vision is the company name. You can use this after you say your name. This is good in meetings or when you meet new clients. Now it's your turn to try. Just think about your job and your company. You can say, "I work as..." Your job title, at, and put your company name. I work as, your job title, at, put your company name. Pause the video and say your sentence 3 times. Now people know about your job, your company, and your name. In the next phrase, we are going to talk about what you do. In phrase number 4. Phrase number 4, I'm responsible for. Again, I'm responsible for. You can just put your main task name. This phrase tells people your main duty at work. You replace main task with your key job activity. For example, I'm responsible for managing clients' accounts. Now it's your turn to try. What is your main task at work? You can say, I'm responsible for, put your main task. I'm responsible for, put your main task. Repeat the phrase 3 times to remember it and use it in your day-to-day life and day-to-day business life. Quick job. Now let's learn phrase number 5 to talk about your area at work. Let's go. Phrase number 5. I mainly work on. Repeat after me. I mainly work on. Repeat again. I mainly work on. Yes, you did it. You get it. You get it. Yes, you get it. You use this to say the main area, project, or topic you work with. You just replace area of work with your field or project. For example, I mainly work on software development of our mobile app. Use this when you want to give more detail about your job. This is helpful in project meetings, introductions, or networking events. Now it's your turn to try. What area do you mostly work on? You can say, I mainly work on your work area. I mainly work on your work area. Pause the video and say your sentence 3 times. Amazing. Let's review everything and let's quickly review the 5 phrases we learned today. Repeat with me. Nice to meet you. Let's introduce myself. I work as your job title at your company name. I'm responsible for your main task. I mainly work on your work area. Now I have 2 quick questions for you. First question, which phrase do you use when you meet someone for the first time? Second question, which phrase tells people your main duty at work? Just write your answer in the comments, so you can rewind the video and practice if you need more time. Remember, I'm also learning English and I understand all your problems. And so we are on this journey together. Now I want you to write in the comments 1 or 2 sentences using at least one of today's phrases. For example, my name is Sarah. I work as graphic designer at Pixel Media and I'm responsible for creating social media content. Clear and simple. Simple phrases, it's the key. I will try to read all your comments and you can learn from other learners too. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more simple business English lessons.